Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing scientific experiments? This remarkable technology is now a cornerstone in various scientific fields. From predicting weather patterns to decoding the mysteries of the universe, AI is playing an indispensable role. It's an exciting era as we witness the confluence of artificial intelligence and scientific experiments, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. So, are you ready for an intriguing journey into the world of AI and science? Buckle up as we count down the top 5 most mind-blowing science experiments involving AI. Starting at number 5, we have AI's role in drug discovery. The world of pharmaceuticals has been revolutionized by the power of artificial intelligence. Take antibiotics, for instance. It's a well-known fact that antibiotic resistance is a rising global health concern. However, AI has recently aided in the discovery of a new antibiotic called halacin. This was achieved by training a deep learning model to analyze the structure of hundreds of thousands of chemical compounds, identifying potential antibiotics. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Artificial intelligence is drastically speeding up the drug discovery process. A task that used to take years, if not decades, can now be achieved in a fraction of the time. This means potential life-saving drugs can reach patients faster than ever before. We're not just talking about a faster process, but a more efficient and accurate one. AI's ability to analyze and learn from vast amounts of data far surpasses human capabilities. Imagine the enormous potential of AI in transforming the pharmaceutical industry. At number 4, we delve into the world of climate modeling. This fascinating field has been revolutionized by the power of artificial intelligence. Traditionally, climate modeling has been a complex process, requiring vast amounts of data and intricate calculations. But with AI, we're able to process and analyze this data quicker and more accurately than ever before. Specific instances have shown AI's prowess in climate prediction. For example, AI algorithms have been used to accurately predict rainfall patterns, helping farmers plan their crop cycles. In the fight against climate change, AI has shown potential in predicting extreme weather events and understanding their causes, aiding us in devising mitigation strategies. Moreover, AI has the ability to learn from past climate patterns and make predictions about future trends. This could be instrumental in helping us understand the long-term impacts of climate change and how we can adapt to them. With AI, we're one step closer to understanding and possibly controlling the effects of climate change. Number 3 takes us to the stars, with AI and astronomy. The vastness of the universe has always been a challenge to astronomers, but with the help of AI, those challenges are becoming opportunities. Take galaxies, for example. There are an estimated 2 trillion of them in the observable universe, each with billions of stars. Identifying, classifying, and understanding these cosmic structures is no small feat. Enter AI. Using machine learning algorithms, AI can sift through astronomical data, identifying galaxies far quicker than any human could. It can even classify them, separating spiral galaxies from elliptical ones, for instance. This is not just about saving time, but about expanding our knowledge of the universe. By helping astronomers focus on the most interesting or unusual galaxies, AI is playing a crucial role in our quest to understand the cosmos. And so, from the microscopic world of drug discovery to the vast expanses of space, AI is truly helping us unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. At number 2, we probe into the subatomic world with AI in quantum physics. Unraveling the mysteries of the quantum realm has always been a fascinating yet daunting task. Now, artificial intelligence is lending a helping hand. AI, with its ability to learn and adapt, is revolutionizing quantum computing. It's assisting in the design of quantum algorithms, making them more efficient and effective. In turn, these advancements are illuminating our understanding of quantum mechanics, a field replete with enigmas. The implications are far-reaching, from ultra-secure communication networks to breakthroughs in materials science. As we delve deeper into the quantum universe, it's clear that artificial intelligence is not just a tool but a partner in discovery. AI is shaping the future of quantum physics, one qubit at a time. And at number 1, we explore the building blocks of life with AI in genetics. This exciting field is witnessing a revolution. as artificial intelligence unlocks the mysteries of our DNA. AI's sophisticated algorithms are being used to analyze genetic sequencing, allowing us to delve deeper into our genetic makeup. This not only aids in understanding the human genome, but also plays a crucial role in the development of personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to an individual's unique genetic profile. But the possibilities don't stop there. AI is also assisting in gene editing, opening up the potential to cure genetic diseases. Just imagine, conditions that were once deemed incurable could soon be a thing of the past. With AI, we're on the brink of a genetics revolution that could change the face of medicine forever. From discovering new drugs to exploring the cosmos, AI is transforming science as we know it. We've seen how AI has revolutionized drug discovery, climate modeling, astronomy, quantum physics, and genetics. Each of these experiments has illustrated the immense potential of AI, shedding light on the unknown and amplifying our capabilities. As we harness this power, we pave the way for unprecedented scientific advancements. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, who knows what mind-blowing scientific breakthroughs await us in the future?